Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to say how was your day or how was the day in French. How do you pronounce this phrase? So let's walk you through. We'll be looking at how to say more useful French stuff, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say this? Comment, the T silent there, which is French for how. Était, meaning was. Comment était la journée? Comment était la journée? La journée being French for the day. You could also say comment était ta journée if you mean your day. Ta being French for your. So, comment était la journée? Comment était la journée? Or comment était ta journée is French for how was your day? And now you know more videos on how to pronounce more interesting French words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Merci. Au revoir.